Welcome back to the Retro Tech Repair Shop. Today I have a pair of the real Ghostbusters walkie-talkies made in 1984. The condition is not working. Apparently the battery connectors are broken on them. That one's broken. And that one's broken. So let's take them apart, have a look, see what's inside and make the repair. Okay. So we've got a little LED here. There's a contact there for the power. If that comes out. Yep. So we've got a switch here that is for the signal, and we've got a switch on the side for the transmit. Mucky inside, needs a good clean. For now I'm going to put that back together again. Take the other one apart. I'm going to put some power on it. Let's see if it works. Okay, some bits of metal are in there. Very similar condition on the board as the other one. Very dirty. Just take a picture so we know where it all goes. Switch it on. Transmit. There's no volume adjustment on this, so it's quite loud. I'm going to press the signal button. That does do something. Let's see if I can pick anything up on the scope meter when I press the transmit. So I'll hook this on directly. It's definitely a signal, sine wave signal being produced when we're transmitting. Okay, let's hook up the other one to a power supply and see if that transmits as well. It's working. Press the signal button. Okay. Transmit. Oh, we've got the same wave, so it looks about the same frequency. So that's a good sign. Okay, for the final test, I'm going to power them both up and see if they transmit and receive to each other. Okay, they seem to be transmitting and receiving to each other. Let's clean up the boards, replace the battery contacts, rebuild it, and give it a proper test with some batteries in. There are a few areas on this board where the soldering is quite poor. Here, here, here. I'm just going to go around and reflow some of these soldered connections that I'm not happy with. Batteries are in, let's switch them on, see what happens. One, two, three, four, five. While they're working, I'm going to put one of these by a radio on transmit. Make sure I can pick it up okay. I've got a radio in another room with it on transmit. And it's working just fine. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting.